I had a really wild spark between intuition and synchronicity recently that I want to share with you. So, to all deadheads, heartists like me, lovers, and big hearted people out there, I think you'll get a kick out of this. I was designing my first online course, and towards the end, when I was doing one of the later lessons, I just had this inspiration to put in some lyrics to a song that's been hanging on my refrigerator for about 30 years. And it's moved probably to at least 6 different homes with me. And it goes, went to the well and the water was dry. Dipped my bucket in the clear blue sky. Looked in the bottom and what did I see? The whole damn world looking back at me. And it didn't make a lot of sense when I was putting those lyrics in my lesson at first. But then I took those lyrics apart, as I'll do for you now. So went to the well, but the water was dry. I was connecting that, to my heart, like looking into my heart and my creativity and feeling like blocked or empty or not sure what to do. And maybe you've felt that way at times, like the well ran dry. Dipped my bucket in the clear blue sky. What that says to me is this connection to the heart chakra. The heart chakra is connected to the air element. So by dipping into that and getting a sense of our intuition and our heart's power, our connection to the right brain way of thinking, that's what spoke to me in that line. And then looked in the bottom and what did I see? Once I looked into that heart, once I look into that inspiration, once you look inside, the whole damn world looking back at me. Wow. To me, that's like all about that divine connection with everything out there that's in me and you and every other element and thing and person and planet and stars. And all of that can be found in the heart when we get quiet enough, when we get still enough, and when we trust that inner voice. So in the most wildest synchronicity that came about with, that was the inspiration that my heart knew, and later my brain made sense of it. But the synchronicity came when I realized the name of that song was Liberty by the Grateful Dead. And I was putting it in my free Your Heart Chakra challenge. So that connection between freedom and liberty, it made zero sense when I threw it in the course, and yet my heart knew all along. And I have to share with you this sweet little postcard that's been following me around for so long. Here it is. It's called the Liberty Card by a guy named the Sticker Dude that I met at a Dead show back in 1994. And what's so beautiful about this is this card and this inspiration has been with me since I was 24 years old and finally found its way into my free course and hopefully into your heart to inspire liberty in your life, in your dreams, in your creativity. So I hope you love that story, and I hope that you can find that same trust for your inner voice to follow your intuition, follow your curiosity, and let it lead you to the synchronicities that light up the divine spark within you every day.